Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you how to automatically add prefixes to a whole list of files. I ran into a problem. I use Plex to stream my videos and music collection in the house. I've been ripping all my CDs to storage. Ideally, when you rip a CD that's got multiple CD parts to it, you know, a volume, an album with disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, etc., it rips it in this format. So you can see it's 1 dash, so the first one means disc 1, and then 01 as track 1, and so on. So if you went into disc 2, for example, you'd have the prefix 2. Most of the time when you rip CDs, that happens automatically, but when it doesn't, it's a real pain. Because Plex then won't assign all of the multiple discs to one album, so you get multiple copies of the album art on the Plex interface. So I thought I'd start researching how to change prefixes automatically rather than go one file at a time. So I've just set up a little test folder here. So you can see here I've ripped a disk, 15 files, and it shows the track number 1 through 15. If I wanted to make that disk 1, I'd have to manually rename that file as 1-01, then the next one 1-02. So it turns out you can do that automatically. You don't need to download any software. Windows can do that for you. So if you navigate to the folder that you want to do, so this one I'm already in, go top left and left click on File and open Windows PowerShell. Once you've opened that, then you want to, let me just paste this in first of all. I'm going to paste this command in. So it says Get-ChildItem, File, and then rename, new name, and then replace with a prefix. So all you need to do, and I'll put this down in the description so you can cut and paste it and you don't need to type it. All you need to do is change the word prefix for the actual prefix that you want to appear on each file. So in my case, I'm going to make this disk 2, let's say, so disk 2 and a dash, and then that should run through and do that to every file. If I just move this out of the way, you should see it happen in real time. Press enter, give it a couple of seconds, and there you go. So Windows PowerShell has changed each one to dash, so this is now disk 2. So for something like Plex, which gets all the metadata based on the specific way you name your files, this is a real godsend. So I used to change all this manually. I found this function in Windows PowerShell, and job done. Lots of time saved. So not just for Plex, you can do this for anything where you want to add a prefix. It might be your photos, it might be your video collection, and for some reason you might want some form of prefix. It doesn't have to be a number, it can be a string of characters too. Anyway, I hope that helped. And if you like it, please do consider subscribing. And if not, I shall see you in the next video. Bye.